Hey everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel and wish you all a very happy Diwali. Today's video is all about festive food and good vibes. I decided to fry up some classic Diwali snacks like Chodafadi and Mathia and also make one of my all-time favorites, Manchurian with triple Schezwan fried rice. We had also planned to make Chinese Bhel and Manchurian and gravy using the Manchow soup packet, but Diwali chaos hit and we ran out. So come join me as I mix little bit of festive tradition with some Indo-Chinese comfort food. Let's get cooking. Starting off with some classic Diwali snacks, frying Chodafadi. The sound of it puffing up instantly gives that festive feeling. Nothing says Diwali like the smell of freshly fried snacks filling the house. Next up, Mathia, light, crispy and one of my personal favorites to munch on during the festival. Now moving on to the Indo-Chinese part of today's menu, heating up some water to boil the rice and noodles. Time to prep the veggies for our veg Manchurian and triple Schezwan fried rice. We're grating cabbage and carrots, basically setting up for that perfect crunch and color. The noodles are in, just letting them boil till they're nice and soft. A little more chopping, a little more boiling. You know how chaotic Diwali cooking can get, but that's half the fun. Here's a Manchurian mix, shredded cabbage and carrot, salt, a little corn flour, maida, Schezwan chutney and my secret ingredient, half a packet of Ching's Manchow soup. It gives the perfect flavor kick. Now frying the Manchurian balls till golden brown and crispy. While that's happening, my friends are on fried rice duty, sauteing veggies in Schezwan sauce, adding in rice and noodles and giving it all a good toss. The pan was way too small for the amount we made, but we managed. We had also planned to make Chinese Bhel, but after seeing how much rice and noodles we already had, we decided to skip it for everyone's sake. And here's the final spread, Manchurian and triple Schezwan fried rice. Thanks for watching, and I hope you all had an amazing Diwali filled with good food, laughter and love. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video.